Leah, I'm so excited. All week we've been doing Halloween DIY with you.
And they've been getting more and more successful.
Yeah, don't jinx us yet. Knock on wood. The good news is this is a little more fall, autumn than specifically Halloween.
Yeah, you could do this for like your Thanksgiving table or if you were just throwing a fall party. It doesn't have to be Halloween exactly, but yeah.
I think it'd be a cute centerpiece. So what we're doing today is creating actually little candle holders out of apples.
That's cute,
It's gonna be so cute. We'll find out.
Hope.
Yeah. Again, these are all crafts that we hear about.
They're cute concepts, and then when they get in the hands of Paige and I, they might be less cute.
Anything could happen. So we are here to test it for you and see if this is something you could do.
Yes.
Okay, so the first thing what I think we're gonna do, well, I'm gonna put my hair back because I feel like
step one.
That will just be easier for me. And we're gonna cut the top of this apple off.
All right.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Just the top. So like almost like you're gonna create like a lid for it, like a candle lid. So the next step is you're going to, as safely as possible, which we even thought we should have maybe gotten like a pumpkin carving kit.
Yeah, or maybe like a little, like a melon scoop or something.
That might be easier, but you want to cut out the middle of your apple.
Yeah, you're gonna kind of carve out like a little bowl. Ooh, my apple's a little crooked.
Uh-oh. Yeah, well, so that's the next thing. So try to get, when you're scooping in, try to get it as flat as possible down there because we are sticking a candle in. We just got these at the store, but you might have them in your house
Chances
already.
are, if you've had a party, like some sort of, like I feel like you always have tea lights somewhere within the house. We just didn't have them at the studio yet, so you probably have them.
Should be something easy where, I mean, you have a knife, you have a spoon at your house, probably have apples, and tea lights. So put the tea light in there at the bottom, make sure it's nice and sturdy. Boom.
Here we go. Whoops. Safety.
Oh, it's so cute. Okay, I'll try mine out. Should we put them together?
Aww.
Oh, wait, it's adorable.
Yay.
Look, and then you can put it like in the middle of your dining room table. I'll try not to get it out.
Yeah,
imagine.
Some of these can be a little, so you might want more round-shaped apples.
Yeah,
like maybe this guy would be a little weird.
But you did a good job of keeping it sturdy.
Thanks.
You picked one with a flat bottom. We actually did that at the store.
We did.
When we were getting our apples, is we picked ones with like the flattest, sturdiest bottom.
Yeah.
So, but you could carve this, imagine, a cute little table of 3.
Yeah.
Okay, this one works.
You can hang the spider webs that we made in the corners of your house. I think we're doing this up.
Okay, and then when you want to, let's see if it works. I'm just curious. Boop. Oh, maybe I'm just gonna burn it. Oh, it worked. It went out.
Ta-da!
Yay! There is your holiday decor.
Yeah, nice and easy.
I'm so happy this worked.
We didn't do a practice round.
We're overly optimistic. Yeah.
If we seem relieved, that's why. But,
exactly.
I think this one was a success. It's cheap, it's easy, and it's really, really cute. The final result.
Just be careful with kids and don't forget to put them out.
Yes.
And don't leave them in your Thanksgiving table unattended.
Yes. And don't go too far from your couch because we do have a little bit more Coastlife to get to when we get back.